the Patriotic Alliance, as well as IRASA. We have formed government on the basis of two principles. One of the principles is that we want, all of us who've got a similar interest of ensuring that our government here is stable. So we don't want the government, every time there's a council meeting, there's a vote of no confidence, because numbers are not gelling. Secondly, we want the government that is going to preoccupy itself with delivery of services to the people of the city in Ekurhuleni. So these two things have made us to come close together as the five parties that I've just mentioned to form a government that is going to be in charge of the city over the next 5 years. We are happy to say that ours is not a shaky coalition. Ours is a coalition based on mutual respect, honesty, shared vision, and the belief that the program or the localized manifesto that the ANC has put together will be able to move the city forward. So today I am here to just share with you very briefly some of the interesting things, and I want to say that yes, Jody, I might be 3 days today. When I'm looking back at my life, I think I've got a history of second coming. I used to work for DTI as an official. I came back as a deputy minister. I used to work here for 5 years as a director of empowerment. I think having elaborated in all the things, I will say that we'll focus on clean administration, service delivery, listening to the people, ongoing provision of basic services to all the citizens, and lastly, I will say that we need to work harder to improve our communications on the things that we do, because I think that as government we are very complex